Okay, so we are at Hilton Falls Conservation Area and we are doing a hike to the falls today. We've been in the car with Miss Miley for, I don't know, 30 or 40 minutes and she is just an anxious, nervous Nelly. So she's gonna be really glad to get out of the car.
I knew we'd be friends from the start. We do everything together and can't keep us apart. When days are happy or skies are blue, everything is better when I'm with you, with my friend.
Today we're gonna do a great hike all the way up to the falls. Okay, so we are out on the Hilton Falls Falls hike with a group of people, which I'm purposely leaving off the camera, of course, for privacy reasons. But we're gonna try and catch some good footage for you guys. There's probably 5 or 6 other people brought their dogs besides us. And if you guys know Miley by now, she's going a little crazy, right? She's a little bit anxious and hyper, and she keeps lunging at this one dog. And it's only half play and half anxiety. Let's enjoy some hikes. All right, we have the kid who's the little holy terror.
So, we have the problem child out with the group here. Miley's a bit of a handful. We're doing okay. It's a good trip. I like this place. We'll be back for sure.
All right. Okay, so Dwayne, the little boy in Dwayne, has found the same thing all the other inner childs have found, is a great little rock feature to climb. So we're gonna catch this on film for you guys.
Apparently each layer is 10,000 years old.
Pretty cool.
Not sure how they know that, but someone knows that. Ever cool.
Look at the model there, yes.
Would seem we're coming to a clearing. We might be at the falls where the group is here. Again, I just gotta try and be mindful to keep people out of the camera that aren't consenting to be in a YouTube video. I don't mind getting their backs, but you know. That's okay, we got their backs. No privacy violation there, I don't think. Look at the lovely water. Check out the water. What do you think, little missy? Taste.
The country water?
I'm sure it's safe enough for her. Yeah, we're probably at the top of the waterfalls here.
Good for a drink down here.
Pull me down. Oh, now you gotta break the stairs. She's not gonna go now. Will Miley do it? The stairs.
Yes. So the open stairs. We'll see if Miley will do it. I'll pick her up if she won't.
Mommy's got Here we go. Her heart's going thud, 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 thud.
Okay, that's good.
We'll wait, we'll get you down the rest of the way. Very rugged here.
Hello.
That was nice. Yeah, another teepee. They're everywhere. Who builds them?
So if you're a TP builder, drop a comment below.
We'll be right back. We're gonna take a quick look. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look, we're on the high road. Why take the high road? You take the low road. Isn't that a song? Yes, that's Brian and Mo, Miley. Come on, let's go look. Here, Miley. Let's do the rugged way. Why not?
Rugged Trail Zoomies. Rugged terrain, and she's got a zoomie.
We have fresh city water for you in the car.
Looks like plenty of path here, and maybe we'll go by it. Okay, I was off to see that lake behind us until I see the big sign saying danger, keep out. So for once in my life, I will try to obey the posted signs.
So we just found, you guys remember I took some footage over at the falls that it shows one of the animals native to the area is a turkey vulture. and I'm sorry for his life, but you get to see one up close, guys. Check this out.
Dead.
He's passed away. Wow. Look at that. I want to take the feathers now. He looks amazing. Poor fella. Would you fly into a tree? Did you get hit by a car? Look at that beak. Look at the hook. I know, Miley. It's very interesting, isn't it? Poor fella.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, guys. See you next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Hey guys, when we were on the walk, they had told us that that area was known to have ticks, and there's some signs up there. And on the way home, we noticed that Miley had at least 3 ticks. And so we were responsible, and really, we were really glad that Miley's on Next Guard, because that's a tick prevention. So, you know, if you don't have your dog on that, I may suggest that you check out something for your pet, because on the way home, we found at least 3 ticks, and then Cassie took Miley outside, and as soon as we got home, it makes sure that went through her fur that no ticks that we're aware of. But in case we missed one, at least she's on Next Guard. So anyway, there you go.
Okay, so Dwayne and I are home from the hike. Dwayne probably already mentioned in some footage that on the drive home, we pulled 3 ticks out of Miley's fur. So I was pretty upset about that. So we all stripped down. We're all clean and showered up. I took Miley in the backyard and brushed her as thoroughly as I could. She's very, very grooming resistant. We have to put a muzzle on her and everything, but we tried. Sam looked over the dog too. We don't think there's any more ticks, but just as a precaution, we're gonna give Miley her most dreaded time, a bath.